Bam! Tearing it up. Crazy. On par now, bro. On par. Shit. Is my shit still there? Yeah? Alright, good. Alright, let's gotta do another one. Oh shit, what's that? Whoa, whoa, there's parts here, bro. Holy shit. Yo, it's on par now. That is on par now, bro. Oh, it feels good, bro. Yo, the bikes are on par now. That's hilarious. Woo! It's so sick. It's like just like gunning it, same speed. Another one. Woo, baby! Woo! Man, that shit has punch, bro. Oh god. Another one. What happened? That's what's up. Woo! Man, off the line, your bike is definitely quicker. Off the line. From like 0 probably to 40, it pulls. Yeah, it pulls. I knew it. I wasn't crazy. Yeah. Oh god. Woo! Oh. Huh? Yeah, exactly. Woo! Adrenaline, bro. Yeah. Come on, one more run. Alright, make some room. You go left, alright? Woo! Fucking hell. Did you pop a wheel? I saw that shit, bro. Holy fuck. What RPM did you drop it? Alright, let's just keep, we'll go back. Yeah, fuck it. Until Cunningham, then we'll circle back. Holy fuck, I did a wheelie! I did a fucking wheelie! Holy shit, dude. Woo! Yo, holy fuck, I did a wheelie, bro. Fuck! I dropped it a little. Yeah, I dropped it a little too high, bro. Oh fuck!
I did too. I felt my shit fucking.
Yeah. I was like, fuck. I fucking panicked a little bit. Woo, baby.
We gotta see that clip, bro.
Yeah, we got to. Yeah, that shit pulls. Woo! Oh man, that's fucking beautiful, bro. Ah, I can't do it. Yeah. Oh, bumpy here. Ripping it through the streets. Oh, locked my shit up. Holy fuck, no. Holy shit. Oh fuck. I feel the front end fucking popping. Woo! Maybe I get it why they do wheelies. Holy shit, bro. Crazy, man. I'm gonna just drop it at 4,000 and I'll leave it at that. Holy fuck. We gotta process what happened a little bit. Yeah? Oh fuck. Damn, that shit has a lot of torque. I knew it had more power. Fucking hell. Woo! Go for it. Leave it at that, bro. Leave it at that. Damn, that fucking pull. Yeah? Whew. I don't even want to turn off traction control on this shit. I'm gonna leave it on. Let's get home. It's getting too late. We're gonna be riding all night, just like last weekend.